Have you ever wondered how some YouTube channels grow to 100K plus subscribers in just a few months? It seems impossible, right? Well, a few weeks ago, I was scrolling through YouTube Shorts when I found something surprising. It was an AI-generated animated story, but that wasn't the shocking part. The video had over 8 million views. I got curious and checked the channel. Guess what? They started only 3 months ago and already had over 100,000 subscribers with just 28 videos. Then I found another channel doing the same thing. In only 5 months, they reached 400,000 subscribers with just 26 videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding the viral format. Creating viral animated YouTube shorts is easier than you think because they all follow a simple formula. These videos are not random. They have a clear structure that makes them engaging and shareable. Here's what makes them work. 1. A short story with a moral. Every video tells a quick, interesting story that teaches a lesson at the end. 2. AI-generated voiceover. A natural-sounding AI voice brings the story to life. 3. AI-created images and videos. High-quality, animated images match the story perfectly. 4. Background music and captions. Music adds emotion, and captions help keep viewers engaged. This winning formula makes viewers watch till the end, which helps the video go viral. Now that you know the format, let's break it down step by step so you can start making these videos yourself. Step 2. Writing a compelling story. A good story is the most important part of your video. If the story is interesting and teaches a lesson, people will watch till the end and even share it. There are 2 easy ways to create great stories. 1. Pinterest. Search for short story with moral to find inspiring stories. You can use these as ideas and change them to make them unique. 2. ChatGPT. Use AI to write high-quality scripts with a strong lesson at the end. To do this, copy a detailed prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. The AI will instantly generate a full story for your video. A great story is the key to going viral, so take your time and make sure it's engaging and easy to understand. Now, let's create the visuals to bring your story to life. Step 3. Generating AI images. To make your story visually appealing, you need high-quality 3D animation-style images. These images should match your story and keep viewers engaged. The best tool for this is Leonardo AI. It's free and gives 150 daily credits, which is more than enough to create images for your videos. Here's how to generate AI images. 1. Go to Leonardo AI and select the 3D animation style model. 2. Use a ChatGPT prompt to create image descriptions instantly. 3. Copy each description into Leonardo AI and generate stunning visuals. These images bring your story to life, just like in a Disney Pixar-style animation. A good story needs great visuals, and with Leonardo AI, you don't need to draw or design anything yourself. Now, let's move on to animating these images for even better results. Step 4. Creating AI video clips. Instead of using static images, you can animate them to make your video more engaging. Leonardo AI has a feature called Image to Motion that adds movement to your images. Here's how to animate your images. 1. Select an image in Leonardo AI. 2. Click on Image to Motion. 3. Set motion strength to 1 or 2 for smooth movement. If you set the motion strength too high, the animation may look unnatural, so keep it low. With this feature, your images look more like short video clips instead of still pictures. This small change makes your shorts feel more professional and keeps viewers watching longer. Now that you have your animated visuals, let's move to the next important step, adding a voiceover. Step 5. AI voiceover for your story. A great voiceover makes your video sound professional and keeps viewers engaged. The best AI tool for this is 11 Labs, which offers realistic voices and a free plan with 10 minutes of voice generation per month. Here's how to create an AI voiceover. 1. Go to 11 Labs and select a middle-aged male voice. This works best for storytelling. 2. Paste your script into the text box. 3. Click Generate Voice and wait for the AI to create a natural-sounding voiceover. 4. Download the voice file and you're ready to use it. A clear, natural voice helps your audience connect with the story. Now that we have the voiceover, let's put everything together in an editing software. Step 6. Editing everything together. CapCut Guide. Now that you have your AI-generated images, videos, and voiceover, it's time to edit everything together using CapCut, a free and easy-to-use editing software. Here's how to edit your video. 1. Import your images, animated clips, and voiceover into CapCut. 2. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is the perfect size for YouTube Shorts. 3. Cut out silences in the voiceover to make your video fast-paced and more engaging. 4. Add the AI-generated images and videos, making sure they match the timing of the voiceover. 5. Apply a slight zoom-in effect to keep the video dynamic and hold viewers' attention. Next, let's add smooth transitions to make the video feel professional. Step 7. Adding background music. Music is a powerful tool that makes your video more emotional and engaging. A good background track can keep viewers hooked till the end. Here are the best options for background music. Epidemic Sound, a paid service with high-quality tracks. YouTube Audio Library, free, copyright-free music you can use without any issues. Steps to add background music in CapCut. 1. Download a soft instrumental track, like piano music, for a smooth feel. 2. Import the music file into CapCut. Lower the volume to -10 decibels so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Now, your video has great visuals, voiceover, and music. Next, let's add captions for better engagement. Step 8. Adding auto captions for engagement. Captions help keep viewers engaged and make your video more interesting. Many people watch shorts without sound, so captions ensure they still understand the story. Here's how to add captions in CapCut. 1. Go to Text, select Auto Captions. 2. Click Generate, and CapCut will create captions automatically. 3. Split captions into 3 to 4 words per line for easy reading. 4. Adjust the font, size, and colors to match your video's style. Short captions make it easier to follow the story and keep viewers watching till the end. Now that your video is ready, let's upload it to YouTube. Final touch and uploading to YouTube. Now that your video is fully edited, it's time to export and upload it to YouTube Shorts. For maximum reach, use viral keywords and hashtags like AcT&x Shorts, AI animation, story time, moral story. To grow fast, post at least 3 to 4 shorts per week. More uploads equals more views and subscribers. Now, go ahead and start your Faceless YouTube channel. Success is just a few videos away. Final result and encouragement, and that's it. Now you know exactly how to create viral AI animated shorts. From writing a great story to generating AI images, adding voiceovers, and editing everything together. Now it's your turn to try it out. Create your own AI shorts and see how many views you can get. Who knows? Your channel might be the next big success story. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tricks. I'll be sharing even more secrets to help you grow fast on YouTube. Good luck, and I can't wait to see what you create. See you in the next video. See you in the next